well, the course entitled The Development of Architecture in India from 1526 to 1757 is very important or having its own relevancy. This course, the significance of this course lies that it aims to impart the knowledge about the architectural development and in India, especially from during the 16th and 17th and 18th century. And this architectural development culminated into the construction of a large number of the buildings, and these monuments of buildings constituted around 70% of the Indian tangible heritage. And how these different architectural styles came and amalgamated with each other, and how they created the new style of the architecture, how these buildings are very important, and this composite architecture was the product of the interaction of so many forces. And during this period, India created such type of the built such type of the structures which is in the list of the wonder of the world, like Taj Mahal. And all these structures are the product of the Mughal period. During this period, and the knowledge about these structures, knowledge about the architectural synthesis and development of the architecture is very important for the new generation. And new generation, especially the students who is targeting to study that architecture, targeting to study the Indian rich heritage. And apart from it, so far as the building technology is concerned, this course is also targeted the building technology, how these structures have been created, how in the future these structures can be preserved and conserved. And for the preservation, future preservation and conservation, the study of this course is almost essential or mandatory. Without knowing about the architectural interplay of the different style of the architecture, building technology, we cannot prepare a generation who can preserve these monuments and structures in a very superb way. And India is having a one of the richest heritage, and the maximum part of this research heritage was created during the Mughal period, created during the 15 during the period from 1526 to 1757. And this course is also important from the point of view of the tourism. India attracted a large number of the international tourists, and they came here for some sort of the heritage tourism took place. And India providing such a good opportunity for the heritage of the for studying of the heritage and for the heritage to the international tourists. And the students who opted this paper, they know the intricacies of the development in the field of the building, development in the field of the architecture. And apart from architecture and building technology, this paper also impart the knowledge about the decoration and ornamentation, which is supplementary to the architectural development. These buildings, they provided a lot about, and it's a reflection of the our culture, and reflection of the cultural development that took place during this period. And these monuments which were built during this period, they can be considered, they represents the cultural development, various intricacies of the cultural development during the period. And one more important point which I would like to emphasize, this course is equally important for the student of the architecture. And student of the BR, they can study this course because historical archaeology, historical architecture is an important part of their curriculum. And these students, this course is composed of all the technicalities. I have provided the maps, drawings, layout plans, and pictographical depiction. Everything is very important for the students who imparted knowledge, who get this knowledge, and the purpose of this paper, to sum up, the purpose of this paper is to prepare a generation which is well versed with the intricacies of the architectural development during this period, which is well aware with the characteristic features of our rich heritage which was created during this period. Thank you very much.